If you are watching this video, 1, you have an extra $1,000 lying around to start investing, or 2, you will have an extra $1,000 to start investing one day and you want to know some of the best places to consider investing your money. Don't worry, I got you covered in this video.
Gary! I was just looking for the sports channel, Gary.
I'm going to be going over exactly what I would do if I got an extra $1,000 magically deposited into my bank account. Actually, it did because of the stimulus check. So chances are majority of the people watching this video do have an extra $1,000 to start investing. So all you have to do is make sure you watch the whole video through to understand what I chose and why I chose it. Before we get started with the video, I want to give Wealthfront a huge shout out for being one of my sponsors. If you don't know what Wealthfront is, it's basically an all-in-one finance app. The best part is they are a robo-advisor, meaning once you deposit your money, their software will design the perfect portfolio for you and manage it for you, so you don't have to worry about constantly figuring out what to invest in. And it's a great way to make passive income. It takes just about 5 minutes to set up your account. Once you set it up, you can forget about it. And if you use my link down below, you'll get $5,000 managed for free when you open a Wealthfront investment account. Now let's get back to the rest of the unsponsored video and see what I would do with an extra $1,000. The first thing is I would put it all into Dogecoin because Doge to the moon, duh. Just kidding, don't do that. I want to focus on long-term growth with my $1,000 along with some short-term gains as well. The first thing I would do is buy some stocks in crypto. I would allocate $500 into the stock market and another $100 in crypto. Now you might be asking, Faris, $100 and $500, that's not a lot to invest in both crypto and in the market. Now that's true, but if we focus on long-term growth and constantly adding more to it, it's plenty of money to get started. So with the $500 I have in the stock market, I would invest in a globally diversified portfolio, also known as an ETF. Now if you guys don't know what an ETF is, it's pretty much a pool of stocks combined together, usually with a common theme. You can have an energy ETF, a tech ETF, real estate ETF that has many different tech, energy, or real estate related stocks in them. Investing in a diversified portfolio of ETFs is a great way to maximize your gains with minimizing your risk. Now you can just go out and buy individual stocks, which can make you more money, but it also comes with a higher risk. With an ETF, your risk is much lower because, as I said, you have multiple different companies in the ETF. So if one ends up going bankrupt or something happens, you'll be fine. Even though the returns might not be the greatest with ETFs, it's definitely better than putting your money in a savings account and earning you pretty much nothing. Now that I have my first $500 allocated in the stock market, now it's time to invest in crypto with my $100. I know everyone has their own speculations on crypto, but this is where I'm going to be a little more risky with my money. I'll play it safe in the stock market and be a little risky with crypto because the returns can be much larger. What I'll buy with my $100 in crypto is Engine coin. Now I made a full in-depth video on why I think Engine is an amazing coin in my previous video, which I'll leave a link to down in the description box below. But with the huge surge of NFT hype, I think Engine has huge potential to grow. We've already seen a huge run up for Engine coin's price over the past couple of weeks, and I personally think as long as NFTs stay relevant and the hype doesn't die, Engine coin has some huge potential to grow. Also, they're constantly partnering with big name brands. Remember, as I said, this is more of my riskier investment that may or may not pay off, but it's a risk I'm willing to take. With $100 in crypto and another $500 in the stock market, that leaves me with $400 left to invest. I'll take $50 of that and put it into my Roth IRA retirement account. This is a great long-term investment as long as you meet the qualifications. If you don't know what a Roth IRA is, well, it's a retirement account where you put in after-tax income. As you slowly start to put your money away into it, it compounds and compounds, and when you go to withdraw, you won't have to pay any single dollar in tax because, as I said, it's after-tax money you are putting into it. If I were to put away $200 into my Roth IRA every single month when I turn 18, by the time I turn 60, it could be worth up to $800,000 at an 8% return per year based on Thriven's Roth IRA calculator. Now for this example, I'm going to be using $50, but I'm just showing the effect of putting your money into a Roth IRA retirement account. That leaves me with a whopping $350. Now it might shock you what I'm going to be using this money for, but trust me, it's worth it. I'm going to be buying more inventory for my Amazon business. If you guys don't know this already, I sell on Amazon, and I've been selling on Amazon for the past 6 months and have been doing some great numbers. I'll put up some screenshots of some of the great days I've had recently. Amazon is a great way to make extra money. The amount of people buying on Amazon just on an hourly basis is absurd. So with the $350, I would use it to research new products that would do very well if listed on Amazon. I would buy those products and send them to Amazon and have them do all the work in selling, shipping, customer service, and all I gotta do is get them the product and watch the sales come in. Now, I don't want to make it seem like any product you list will sell automatically. You have to do a whole bunch of product research to see what products sell best. I plan on making more videos about my Amazon business, so if that is something you guys are interested in seeing, please let me know down in the comment section below. And also what other things you would like to see about my Amazon business. From the sales I get from my Amazon business, I would run it through my cycle all over again. I would take the money, put it back into the market, crypto, and keep adding into my Roth IRA retirement account. In order to continually invest, you have to have some money coming in, whether it is through a job, side hustle, whatever it is, you have to have money coming in. You can then take that money and invest it into other assets that will grow your money. But that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys were able to take something away from this video or maybe incorporate this into your own investing career. Be sure to let me know if you guys have any questions down in the comment section below. Also, what type of videos you guys would like to see with my Amazon business. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in next week's video. Peace.